Morning student, this video for class 11 student. Today we will discuss the next topic. It is called subset. So here we have two terms. It is subset. So what is the meaning of subset? According to the definition, if A and B are sets, both are sets, such that every member of set A is a member of set B, then set A is called a subset of set B. Now look at here. A is equal to 2468 and B is equal to 4862. So you can say that A is each and every member of set A is a member of set B. So you can say A is the subset of B, and you can represent like this. Okay. Now one more term we have here. It is subset. We have a proper subset. What is the meaning of proper subset? Proper subset. Proper subset means this topic is related to this one part only. Proper subset means A is having element, suppose 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. And B is having the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now look at here. Each and every member of set A is the part of set B, but some members are here which are not a part of A. So this you can say A is the proper subset. A is a proper subset of B, and this is represented by A proper subset of B. Means equal to sign you are not going to put over here, because each and every member is a set of B, but some elements in B which are not in A. So that time you can say you can use the term proper subset. So proper subset means complete A is available in B, but all the elements of B are not in A. Means some elements in B which are not available in A. So that time you have to use proper subset. Okay. So two definitions you have to write in your copy. One is subset. If A and B are sets, that definition with example, and that symbol also you should know. This symbol you should know. It is a subset. Proper subset you should know. Proper subset means this example I have given, that A is a proper subset of B. In that time you can say you can write like this. Symbolically you will write like this. Two more important things you have to learn on the basis of this superset. Superset means this 2, 4, 6, 8 is the subset of this set B. So that time you can say B is the superset of A. So the symbol will be like this. This is a symbol of superset. Now not a subset. Suppose A is 1, 2, B is 3, 4, 5. So this A is not a part of B. So you can say A is not a subset of B. So this symbol is not a subset. So two more things you have to note down in your copy. Now we have to discuss two important theorems, that every set is a subset of itself. Means if suppose you have a set A 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you can say A is the subset of A. A is the subset of A. So every set is the subset of itself. Second is empty set is a subset of all set. Similarly, it is a set. So you can say 5 means empty set. Empty set is the subset of A. That also it is true. So through these theorem we have learned this part. Now one rule we have, if you are interested about total subsets, then you can calculate by the help of this formula, where n is number of elements. So for this set we have how many elements? We have total 4 elements. So total subsets is equal to 2 की power 4. So it is 16. So total subset will be 16. Okay. Now let us take one example. I have a set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and we have to find all the subsets. So here we have a solution. You know phi is the subset of every set, so this is one of the subset. Every set is the subset of itself, so 1, 2, 3, this is also one of the subset. Then 1, then 2, then 3 alone, 1, 2, then 1, 3, and the last is 2, 3. Now you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total subsets are 8. Now from formula you see total subsets is equal to 2 की power 3, that is 8. Okay, so this is called total subset. But if the question is how many total proper subset, total proper subsets, so in that list what you have to do, you have to remove this part. So only because phi is the subset of every set, but if you are going to remove this portion, only 7 means 2 raised to the power n minus 1 is the formula of total proper subset. So here 2 raised to the power 3 minus 1, it is 8 minus 1, it is 7. So 7 proper subsets are there. Count it. 1, we cannot count it because for proper 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total proper subsets are 7 here. So through this example you can learn a lot. Now our last topic for this particular part, power set. Set of all subset is called a power set and it is denoted by PA. Suppose we have a set A 1, 2, 3. So all the subset you have already seen, phi 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3 and 1, 3. So total 8 subsets are here. If you are putting all the subset in a particular set, it is called power set. Means set of all subsets is called power set. Okay. So student, take the help from these examples and try to solve the questions which I will give you in your WhatsApp group.